Step one.
Screwdriver.
I'm gonna fucking screwdriver.
Use anti-seize much.
So, welcome back to Shade Tree Hot Rods, where today we're not really working on a hot rod because it's time for some overdue maintenance.
This bitch is pretty much a hot rod. She went straight to this wheel bearing.
I treat it like a hot rod. So if you're wondering why we're working on this car,
It's not supposed to do that with the wheel top.
is that?
That's anti-seize.
Oh, dude, that scared the crap out of me. They got anti-seize on my lugs, and I thought it was like grease coming out.
Look, she was so scared she shit herself.
I'd batshit myself. So what we got to do is take the wheel off. Obviously, we got to pull its drum brakes. We got to pull that out completely or mostly, and then there's 4 bolts on the back to pull the wheel hub off. So the actual changing of the hub is easy. Getting to it, not so much. So get to it.
Damn. Yeah.
It's pretty gnarly.
Now you should know.
That's why it was clicking in the morning.
Oh yeah.
I think it's a 21.
I do not have one.
I've got one somewhere. Wait, what size was that you just tried?
Yeah. I got one.
Sick.
Sadly, we're not sponsored by Milwaukee.
Not yet. Milwaukee, just know if any other company tries to sponsor us, we're gonna say no, unless it's like Snap-on.
Nah.
That's only for tools.
Nah, fuck Snap-on.
All right, well, fuck
Milwaukee.
Snap-on. I'm talking about for like ratchets and sockets.
Yeah, hand tools, Snap-on.
Hand tools, great. Yeah.
Y'all's electric tools, nah. Y'all need to work on that shit. Honest feedback. Don't take it personal. Yeah. P.
What's up?
That is I think it's worse with the tire off.
Yeah. It'll buff out.
With what? PT grit?
Yeah. A mallet.
A torch. Oh, hi.
They're gonna do it all night.
Well, she's drying here.
That's a plus.
We ain't even gonna take the brakes with us.
Have we not? Just come in the back.
I think it just. No.
Oh, big
yeah.
bet. Oh, this is easy then. Oh, wait. Oh, you just gotta line it up like this?
Yeah.
Like that?
Pour the 4 bolts out and it just sandwiches the vacuum plate.
Oh, big bet. They're not gonna come off. Is that 3/8 drive?
Yeah.
You have a 3/8 1/2 inch?
Not with me.
Alright, give me a second. Oh, done. It was already on here.
Fuck yeah.
Alright, let me do some work for once. I can't just be the pretty face. Yeah. I'm just gonna try to keep it a little quiet with the power tools.
Yeah. Can't wait till we got the shot. Hey, shot.
Tell me about it. Ready?
Yeah. Started moving.
Oh shit. Well, yeah, because it's stuck now. Give me a second.
We need to be careful. That's where all the threads are.
Yeah, but it's the whole unit. Oh, it's not.
No. That's the actual.
Okay.
Actual.
I'll hit it right here then.
We'll just pop this wheel cylinder off and just.
What are the wheels on there for?
Just so we can pull this whole assembly off and like set the backing plate up on a brick and hit the back of the wheel bearing from it.
Okay.
Just to keep
it's like an 8-inch or 8mm.
just to keep from tearing anything. Shit, this whole assembly won't come off. Well, we can lean it over the side and just do it right here.
Well, I can get it from right here to where it's. If I'm like this. Well, that's mushroom. Was that like that?
Yeah.
Good. I can get right here. I'm not on threads. I just have
Well, that's going in the axle again. The bearing's stuck in the backing plate itself. I'll just loosen it here.
Oh, well then.
Yeah, I'll just loosen it here and we can lay it
Like
over
that
the
then?
side.
No.
Yeah, I guess you could try it with it. This one's a non-ABS.
Yeah, I don't have ABS in this car.
That's a ABS
Ready?
bearing, but it'll be. Yeah, let's just set it down on a brick. It'll be a lot easier.
You want me?
You got a 10 mil wrench?
What's up?
A 10mm wrench?
Yeah, I got one somewhere.
That's the size that has been stolen out of my Mac code.
Yeah, give me a moment. Oh, yeah, chopped out.
Yeah. At least Toyota had some sense while they made this car.
What it made? Oh,
They
doing
put
that?
the wheel bearing on the outside.
How much you want to bet the new one doesn't do that?
Oh, I know the new one ain't gonna do that.
No, fuck you. Alright, go ahead.
What do you mean? Sandwich it like it does?
No, this.
Oh no, it does. I looked at it.
Oh, does it? Okay.
Yeah. Trust me, I look at parts before I fucking take
Well, you
it.
don't even know what this one looked like, so.
No, I remember what it looked like from last time.
Oh, did you?
What sucks about being a mechanic, dude?
You remember everything?
Huh?
You remember everything?
Just about.
That was easy. Let me see this
It would
bitch.
have been a lot easier to go than rust.
Alright, so. It's kind of hard to show.
That bitch smoked some crack over the weekend.
Yeah, it ain't no good. Because we have car parts. Not the car parts I want, but the car parts I'll take.
It'll get him back to work so he can get the car parts he wants. So.
For real. I guess we use the same nuts. The
Yeah,
same
the
bolts.
same bolts.
Okay. So, this is our old wheel bearing, right? Looks all nice and let's tilt it up. Okay, it's gonna fall over. It's all nice and broken. This is our new one. All nice and shiny. All right, let's get it tuned. Let's get it tuned. It's gonna be a short video. Shit. I was expecting more steps. Anything I can do? Want some WD-40 or something?
Take the brake on back off so it's not biting me. Won't let me line it all the way back up. No,
Oh, you're doing it.
I've been doing it for enough years and I can do it without process.
Okay. Better than I am. And she started. See guys, this is why you get a friend. I'm just holding a light. It's like I'm working with my dad again.
Light over here, damn it.
Hold the fucking light still. Alright. Oh, it's almost like they lined it up to where you can just put it in one position and get to all the bolt holes.
Yeah, that's what they did.
Wow, they're so smart. Now, pause. Wait. Don't run them down. Or run them down to where it gets a few clicks.
my man wants to do it.
Well, this car moves me and my son, so.
Yeah, I don't blame you there. I'm gonna tighten it down and then I'm gonna back them off just so I know the bearing's seated. I'm just saying, it's more than you think it is, trust me.
Dude, my torque wrench stops at 60, okay?
I can get that extra.
No. No, I mean, like, it goes above that. It goes to
the
240. Yeah, the minimum. All right, so traditionally, I wouldn't really care too much, but this is a major component. Like your brake brackets, I'm not really going to do this on, but because this is a rear wheel hub, I lied, it goes to 50. And this is my primary mode of transportation, and I also have my son in this.
We don't want to be three-wheeling down an interstate.
Yeah, so I'm gonna actually torque this to 66 foot-pounds. So you see right here, this is in foot-pounds. Make sure I'm in frame. That right there says foot-pounds. And just below this, it says 60 right there. So what we're gonna do is these numbers, we're gonna get to 60, which is that right there where the 0 lines up with this medial line. And we're gonna twist that until the 6 now lines up. You see how it hasn't quite hit 70, but it's over the 60? That means we're at 66 foot-pounds. There's gotta be some education in here. Otherwise, YouTube won't give us money.
We need that money.
We do need that money.
We got hot rods and ain't gonna build themselves.
Accurate. Yeah, see, 66 ain't nothing. I mean, I'm barely pushing on this thing. That kind of worries me.
Do 66 and they do a 90-degree turn since we ain't got Loctite right now.
Bolt stretch?
No, they're not bolt stretch, but it'll give that extra. I was gonna end up at like 80, 85 with that impact.
Probably. I mean, my wheels, I just kind of go for feel. Actually, I have a pull bar sitting out. I do have that there, don't I? I have 2 pull bars. All right, so I'm not really comfortable with that 66 foot-pounds number. I just don't think that's enough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get it on here, do about a quarter turn or 90 degrees. Like that. And we're gonna go into crisscross, because that's better. Oh, that's the top one. Well, if I round the bolt heads off, I can't take it off again, so.
It'll last another 200,000 miles.
Oh, Jesus. Well, that one's just rounded anyways.
I get it with the impact.
Maybe. Fuck it, give me the impact.
It's right beside you.
We're gonna give it a couple ooger doogers. Neighbors love me.
If they come over here, it's a life or death situation.
Absolutely, I feel attacked. Done. Actually, while we're here, can we tighten the parking brake on this thing? Or do I need to adjust it on the cable that's inside the car? Because the parking brake doesn't do anything anymore.
It should have been automatic adjusting, but if not, I can set it.
There's a screw. There's a, like, where you pull the tightness inside there. So that may be what we need.
We'll do it out here.
We're gonna go ahead and fiddle with my parking brake because it doesn't do anything right now. And I've just been messing with it. I've just been pulling it for fun.
Got a flat head?
Cool, just don't hit it with your head or we'll fall.
Gotcha.
Ask me how I know.
I need the little one.
Oh,
That
I have a little one.
That we used to break in old Betsy over there with earlier. Stanley. Now, Stanley is a variant of Mac tools now, so
Is it?
we're using the expensive shit.
I mean, kind of. It is now expensive. It is now worth more.
Everything's expensive now because of Joe Biden. Thank you, sir.
Let's go, Brandon.
Nah, I say that is. Fuck Joe Biden.
I'm gonna get the DEA up in my house, Secret Service.
I'll take the blame.
I'll tell you where he lives, guys. Don't worry.
Right here, guys. What the fuck? Oh, this one's at the top. That's right.
I told
It didn't fall.
Is that light helping you any? Like the top light? Okay. Trying to pull the park breaker. Oh, that's right. You feel about that.
I go by drag first, and then we'll adjust this, and then the other side.
I mean, the other side's fine. We never touched the other side.
Yeah, but
Okay. That's fine.
might as well do it while we're here.
Yeah, see, it wasn't even, but it was touching when we got it done the first time. You know?
Yeah.
Because we already set the drag, but
Well, it had a bad wheel bearing on
it did have the bad wheel bearing. That could have affected it. Sounds better.
Yeah, it's got some drag on it. If you want to pull the e-brake,
Yeah.
you can see. Oh, yeah.
Good. Okay.
It should self-adjust from there.
I see.
You want to bleed this brake? Because I did break
Yeah.
it.
You think the car needs to be running for that? Like,
Yeah, it'll help.
bumper. 1, 2, 3, holding.
Alright, we're good.
Alright.
No air came out the first time, but I wanted to be safe.
No, I appreciate that. Now we put the wheel on. So, you want to know something funny about this car?
What's that?
She has 3 brands of tires on her now.
Guess there's 3 types of fucking traction, dog.
Well, the front 2 are bigger.
As long as they're the same size.
Yeah, they're 185s. 185, 65, 14s, or whatever these are.
You never want to run different sizes on a front wheel drive car.
Or anything that's driven, because you're going to shred the diff.
Yeah, I'm glad you know that.
No, I'm not.
No, not.
I got a little
people,
bit.
Most people don't fucking know that. and
Go
I see
ahead,
people
run
ride
the
it.
audience. Why don't you run 2 different size tires on driven axles?
You will straight weld a differential together. Ask me how I fucking
Is that a
know.
bad thing?
You'll have a poor man's locker or a poor man's spool.
So it sounds like a cheap way to get a drifting car.
Sounds like a cheap way to be stuck on the side of the road.
Try it with your parents' cars first, kids.
Just don't be surprised when you don't get allowance for about 7 years. Hold up. Do y'all even get allowance anymore?
I never got an allowance. I was allowed to live.
I got an allowance and then it got deducted. You eat, you sleep, you got power, you got internet, you got water, you got clothes. Alright, let's do a challenge. I want to see how close I can get.
Okay, what, 76 foot-pounds? So the number to beat is 76 foot-pounds. That's what he's going for. Phone's to your right.
Put it on reverse.
Reverse.
Yeah, you put it on reverse.
Are you going to loosen them slightly?
No, that's how you see how much brake light force it's got. The Tesla.
No.
I want to see how close I
Alright,
am.
76. Here we go. Let me hit that brake. Yeah. Not quite.
Alright, then go to another one and see how close I am. Take it to the top. No.
Tighten it.
Yeah. I'm still trying to learn that Milwaukee.
About 10 foot-pounds.
Ain't too far off.
Not bad.
I was using that extension. If I don't use that extension, it probably would have got it.
Maybe. See, I trust 76. 76 sounds like a much better number for a rotational part that supports a 2,200-pound car. All right, Where's my... You want to give it ye old hammer fist?
I'll let you. I usually bust them bitches.
Do you not see? Oh, this one's actually not broken. I'm surprised. I just broke it. I hope your head wasn't blocking that. It's on there now. I mean, it's just
that is why I didn't want to
hit it. Oh wait. Okay. That one wasn't broken either.
That was sure enough fucking
Souvenir. Oh shit. I lost a lug nut.
Now you got some souvenir.
Alright.
Let's have a souvenir bar now.
Oh.
Jesus Christ. This one's on more than 76.
Because I put this one on. Walmart put the other one on.
Oh yeah, that one needs to be adjusted. Sorry.
I haven't had to beat on this one yet. Nope. That better not be the fucking hub.
No, I think that's just the...
Yeah, it's free.
Only had 2 bolts that'll just screw in here.
It does.
I know, but do you got 2 bolts that
No.
fit right here?
Hold that still if you can. Is it any better than one? Yeah, it's got my one.
It's just the rim.
There you go.
There you go.
Let me get some brake clean.
Yeah. Get some of that out of there.
How bad are them shoes?
Uh,
Are there shoes left?
non-existent on the bottom side of one.
Really?
Yeah. It's gone right here.
I really don't want to do that tonight.
Do you got shoes?
Yes. I really don't want to do that tonight.
Do you want to just throw the side back together then?
I mean, we're gonna brake clean it.
Alright.
I'll light it on fire.
I wouldn't because of the...
It's a joke. I like this car, believe it or not.
I have tried to light one of my cars on fire.
I believe that.
It wouldn't
I was
crank.
gonna light it up to dry it off.
It would not crank. It was that gold truck I had. Motherfucker would not crank.
Really?
Had gas in it, everything. Fucking took a gas can. Wasn't expecting a windshield to shatter. I chunked it at it. All you heard was... and the trash can go flying 20, 30 feet. And then my windshield in slow motion going... Shh.
Back together, I guess.
At least we got a vitals check.
He did brakes one day. Now we know.
And you have one, right?
I do have them. I actually have a spare wheel. I have the new wheel cylinder for it too.
We are not touching that motherfucker.
I try not to.
Motherfucker looked like it was damn near new. As you can see, sirs, it didn't have no hair around it. They wasn't holding his mouth right, so he couldn't get it in the big hole.
I'm not good at hitting it from the side. I'm more of a straight on kind of guy.
I like doing it all directions.
Some of us have to be multi-craftsmen. It's not me. You want to test your luck again?
When they speak Spanish, you're doing it right.
Oh, you want these back off a little bit. All right, 76 foot-pounds. All right. Can't see it that well, but we are still at 76 foot-pounds. We're going to loosen it first.
So we don't have that much brake left on this one.
I mean, I'm gonna use the brakes, you know.
Well, I'm just saying, like, to hold it. Try to prolong it from tearing that shoe off.
All right, 76 is the number to get. Going lefty with it. That was pretty close.
I told you.
That was pretty close.
didn't have that extension on it.
I think you're pretty close on all of them. Yeah, because the car's rocking before it even moves it. So you're at or above 76. So.
Well, according to that one, it was damn near dead on.
It might have been 78, but you know. All right, well.
77 and a cunt.
All right, so we're gonna do this nice and safely.
By safely, we mean 50 mile an hour down the back road.
Yeah, there's only one way to figure this out. So
we're going to Mexico.
Previously, every time you would move, especially when you first moved, the car would go clunk, clunk, and then as you speed up, a wheel bearing noise is a roar once it starts getting bad. And you couldn't hear yourself on this car, so you just turn the music up and ignore the sound. So let's see what happens. We also have a front wheel bearing that I'm pretty sure is out.
But we have that, we're just waiting on a press. That's strut noise.
That's fine. I don't even hear that. I don't hear the front one. Is the front fine?
I think the front's fine, bro.
Yes! So that rear one's been bad for like 5 years. I've had wheel bearing noise in this car since I bought it in September of 2020. All right. Was it 2020? Yeah, I'm almost positive it was September of 2020. I've had wheel bearing noise, and I swore up and down it was the passenger front. And we only just discovered it was that the driver rear was even an issue. What, like 3 months ago when we did the brakes on the back? Or at least on one of the backs?
Fix the wheel cylinder.
Yeah, I had to call him in. I was having a dickens of a time exploding the wheel cylinder because I don't know how to do drum brakes at all.
But I'm here now, guys.
But you know what? I think she's good. I think that was the issue.
Hell yeah.
Give me some.
Another 250,000 miles to go.
Yeah, we're currently sitting at 253,253. Could not have done that better. Am I lying? Is that what that says?
No, that is exactly what that said. 253.
Roll Tide. So, thank you for joining us on this episode of Shade Tree Hot Rods, where we fix a pseudo hot rod. And I'm going to go back to treating it like one now that it won't break on me. I'm Preston.
I'm Christian.
Join us next time.